welcome. And I was lost, but he brought me in, all his love for me. Yes, his love for me, whom the sun sets free. Oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. Free at last, he has ransomed me. His grace runs deep. While I was slave to sin, Jesus died for me. Yeah, he died for me. Whom the Son sets free, oh, he's free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. Oh, I am who you say I am. Oh, I am who you say I am. Oh, the sun sets free. Oh, it's free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. My Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. That's a good song. I like that song. I'm leading that song here and there, and this, I think we're doing it this week. Usually it's actually a girl that leads it. So it's a little version I did for you, and I have got the charts. I have got the lesson for the strumming on the website. I always want to invite you to join me. If you like the videos, give me a thumbs up, click the bell, subscribe always, as I'm bringing you new videos every day. So I've got some charts for you on the website. Check the links below so you can get those free charts. And join me in my lessons this week as we're doing Who You Say I Am. One thing I like about this song, there's a lot of songs out right now that I don't like, but this song is just, I love that I'm chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. I think that we forget that a lot of times in our society, just who we are in Christ. And I love that this song kind of points that out. And I love that it says, who the Son sets free is free indeed. I just really like these lyrics. I don't find anything in here that I'm like wondering what the songwriter meant, or I'm just really, I like this. You are for me, you're not against me. I am who you say I am. So as you learn this week, and as we do this, pray through this and do this song as a prayer. I am who you say I am. Because God has called us, He has given us a new name, He has given us a new identity, and He has gone to prepare a place for us. It says He's gone to prepare a place. And this song, it just sort of reminds me of all of that. So I'm really excited to be doing these lessons this week. Make sure you get the free chart. Right here it is on the website. The links will be in the description, and follow along. And if you really want to learn even more about playing guitar and becoming a great guitarist, join me at worshiptheking.com. God bless you guys.